I'm an executive coach. And many years ago, I was coaching a research division in cell phone company. And the director of the research division said to me, Alain, I have an external consultant that every time he's present in the meeting works very well. But when he's not there, the meeting does not work so well. And I don't want to keep this guy forever. I want to know what he's doing. And I don't know exactly what he's doing to make the meeting fantastic. So I coached this guy who was a genius. And he was a genius because he had the agility to change his identity. And I'm a specialist in modeling excellence. And I looked at what he was doing from an excellence point of view. So he was able to look at the agenda, look at the people in the meeting, and he knew them because he was working with his team, and see the gap in the meeting. And when he saw the gap, he basically morphed his role and become, for example, an observer in the meeting, or become a provocator, or become a facilitator, or become a disruptor. So every time he had like different roles, and that's why the director of the division could not pick up what he was doing. But he was just filling the gap so that the meeting was basically at his best. So that gave me an idea to define different roles in meetings to make the meeting more effective. And I defined 8 roles. So I see a meeting happening like the top of the iceberg. You have the agenda, everybody has the role they play, but you have the below the iceberg, the subconscious of the meeting. For example, if you take the customer centricity, maybe the customer is not in the meeting. So what if someone should also play the customer role? Or the elephant in the room. Maybe everybody knows the elephant in the room, but nobody dare to say what it is because you don't get the authorization to do it. So different roles could happen and we could surface them to make the meeting much more effective. So I have defined like 8 roles, and I defined these 8 roles in a pamphlet. And then every role has like a card, so people know what to do. And for example, you can have the role of the coach, and the coach will look at the language that is used in the meeting, and to basically help people to reframe their language to use a more constructive language. Or you could have the role of the people who basically will be in charge to find the elephant in the room and get the authorization to say what is the elephant in the room during the meeting. So the principle is that everybody plays a role, normal role, and the agenda, but they have a second role, one of these 8 roles, which has the value of making everybody present, everybody having a type of dual awareness, and also the value when you start to place these 8 roles regularly, one by one, suddenly your ability to be more present, more conscious, more powerful in your observation and your intervention basically elevates the team to a different level and makes meetings much more effective. So if you're interested, there is 3 options. You can buy the product and do it by yourself. You can ask me to do an individual coaching and show you the roles, and then you do it with your team. Or you can ask me to basically to do a team intervention online, and then I will explain everything, and I will observe the meeting, record the meeting, and give you feedback on your meeting. And you can ask me to assist to 1, 2, or 3 meetings until you know exactly what to do and how to measure your progress. So if you're interested, contact me, and it will be a pleasure for me to work with you and your team. Thank you.